Hey, Deb here with Fix It with Deb. And well, spring has sprung and it's time to take these bad boys out of the closet. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to do a Darth Vader impression. No, I'm not. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to take this bad boy apart so that you can clean it and not bring last year's crud into this year, because that's gross. So stick around and we'll get right to it. The first thing you want to do is on the modern fans, they have these little clips. You just want to undo the clips. You just pull out like so. And the bottom one is not a clip. So then this comes off so that you can wash all the crud out of that. I don't know if you can see the yuck in there. And then comes the fan, and you can see the goobers from last year in it. Now, this is gonna go the opposite of righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So this is gonna tighten to the left and loosen to the right. And that's because the fan spins clockwise, so you want to tighten it counterclockwise. So you just loosen it to the right. And then that guy comes off. And then this whole thing just pops right out. And you see all the yuck from the other years. So we're going to wash all that off. Now this is the opposite. This is the righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So to take this off, you're going to unscrew it to the left, like a normal bolt or screw. And once you get that off, then this whole thing comes off, and then you can wipe and get all the dust and clean all this out. The googers are off of these too. Should I juggle? Just kidding. Handle up, teardrop down, pop it on here, and align it with the pins, like so. Pins in the teardrop. These two little bracket things are right there. Now we're going to take the plastic nut that is in my pocket. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. This just holds the back piece on. Same thing with the blade. Got your notch. You want it on this little collet. Slips right in. Same thing, put the nut on. Left-handed threads, so it's going to be to the left to tighten. You're going to want to hold the fan too while you do this. Ta-da! So you're going to open all these little clips. And this on the bottom has a little notch, so you just rest this in here. Get your label level, or somewhat level. Put it in there. Can't tell if that's level or not. Anyway, sits in the bottom, and then you just close these clips. And that is it, my peoples. That easy to clean a fan. It took me all of about 10 minutes. Well, all right, that's how easy it is to take apart your fan so you can clean it. You'll never have to bring last year's yuck into this year, ever. Also, you can practice your Darth Vader impressions with a clean fan. Luke, I am your father. All right, well, it sounds better with it on, but you know how that goes. Anyway, if you like what you saw today, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button, turn on notifications, call your mom, do all the things. Well, until then, and I come up with another episode, you guys take care. And we'll see you next time.